Welcome to Firewall Basics 101, your beginner's guide to understanding firewalls. In this short mini course, we'll break down the key concepts in a simple way. Let's get started. A firewall is like a digital security guard. It monitors all traffic going in and out of your network and decides what to allow or block. Without it, your data is exposed to hackers. With it, you have the first line of defense. Firewalls inspect packets of data. Imagine each packet as a postcard. The firewall reads the address and decides if it should be delivered. Packet filtering is the simplest firewall method, checking IP addresses, ports, and protocols. Stateless firewalls only check each packet individually, like reading a single postcard without context. Stateful firewalls, on the other hand, track ongoing connections, like following a whole conversation instead of one message. Today, almost all modern firewalls are stateful, providing much better protection. At home, your Wi-Fi router has a basic firewall, enough for family browsing. In enterprises, firewalls are much more advanced, with deep packet inspection, intrusion prevention, and SSL inspection to stop sophisticated attacks. Think of it like a neighborhood watch versus a professional security team. And that's Firewall Basics 101. Now you know what a firewall is, how it filters traffic, and why stateful inspection matters. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more beginner-friendly firewall and cybersecurity courses.